What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna go through and show you how you can activate and use American Express offers inside the American Express website portal. Just as a prerequisite, this does require an American Express card, but that's kind of a given. So if you don't have one already, I recommend checking out some other videos that I've made reviewing some of the best American Express cards. So with that being said, the first thing you're going to want to do is hop into American Express's website as you see on my screen now. You're going to want to go to the top right corner and select one of the cards that you're interested in finding American Express offers on. So as you can see on my screen, I currently have around 6 cards with American Express. Don't worry, some of these will be getting canceled soon, so don't have to worry about all the annual fees that I'm paying, but you're going to get offers on different cards and they don't always sync up with each other. These offers are generally targeted, so everyone may get different offers, but generally ones that go to platinum cards will then trickle down to other ones, but the better offers will be on the more expensive cards. So once you have your card selected, you're going to want to scroll down until you see American Express Amex offers and benefits. You can click on the View All button. After the offers have loaded, this will bring you to a screen where you are able to then select the different types of offers you're interested in. Here you can see that I'm scrolling through a list of offers of that I can choose to add to my card. If there is an offer that I'm interested in, I can just click the Add to Card button, and then anytime I make a purchase with that merchant that then meet the terms, I will be rewarded the amount given. One thing to keep in mind is you want to make sure you read the terms of conditions very closely. As you can see here on this Shutterfly one, you can't just use a $25 Shutterfly gift card. As you can see right here in it, it says that this excludes gift cards purchased through third parties, and I would imagine that you can't buy gift cards with this offer as well. This is only good for personalized photo books, gifts, and decor. But this is pretty standard with how these offers go. A lot of the times American Express offers do not work for gift cards. They want it to be natural spend because they want to collect the data on where customers are spending their money. They also probably want to make that sale at the time of when the offer is good because they probably have some financials that they want to disclose at a certain time, boosting their books and making it look like they have more revenue. But just to go through some of the power of American Express offers, most of them aren't very good, but there are some that have been good, and I'll go through a couple of them that I really like. So here you can see I got one for Walmart, so get 5 MR points back, so that's 6 MR points. That's pretty cool. Spend $20 or more, get 20% back on Google One. I have a Google One account, so that's great. This one's really cool. Spend $300, get $125 statement credit at Delta. Really cool to see. 3% back on gas stations, 50% back on Dropbox. I don't use Dropbox, but in the case that I did, I activated this offer. Monthly spend offer, get $10 back when you spend $200 at grocery stores, so that's really cool. There's Royal Caribbean, get $500 back when you spend $1,500 or more. These are just kind of the offers you can expect to get that I think are really cool. Again, most of the ones aren't very good, so just to go through some of them, like Polo, spend $200, get $400 back. I don't shop at Polo, I don't need anything at Polo, so this doesn't really do a whole lot for me. A lot of them tend to be wine shops or tend to be things with very high profit margins, so by giving a 20% discount on their products, they're still making very healthy margins, but now and again you can find Amazon ones, which are really cool. Once an Amex offer has been applied, you can see it show up here, and these are the ones that I've used in the past. I'll probably have some of these blurred out just because they show exactly where I live, but it's really great to just be able to use these, even if it's just $5 or $10. Every dollar helps count and save towards your financial future. So with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again so much for watching. My name's Jackson. Be sure to like and subscribe if you see content similar to this one. See you guys in the next one. Take care.